When the sun shines bright, I see you there.
There used to be water up that way.
Look at the roots to this tree. Look at that. Wow, look like little snakes. We're close to the waterfall. We don't know where it's at, but it's here somewhere. You can almost tell just the way this looked that water used to flow through. We're gonna find it. We're coming for you, waterfall. I knew. Ugh. Now we gotta go up there. Wow. Oh, I see the water.
Do you?
Yeah, there go the water right there.
Oh, I see it.
So we're almost. Oh, and then you can feel more of a coolness. Do y'all feel a sudden coolness?
It's way cooler right here.
We gotta go up these stairs.
Incredible.
There go the ladies. You can see some water over there too.
Echo.
Oh yeah, you definitely feel the coolness. Wow. Now what about Val? You went up or down? Right
here.
You down? Okay. Now, where's Val at? Look at this huge rock. I don't tell me how old this rock is.
You go up or down, guys?
Oh, we're going up? Oh, now where you at? Down?
Okay.
Down, and then Val went up. Now we gotta go over these rocks. Where the waterfall once ran. Isn't there something? I took my sweater off, but I almost feel like I needed the sweater for this part. Well, I definitely needed the sweater for this. Wow. Look. Ah! It's slippery over here too, but then sand.
Oh, it is slippery.
Look at that little light, like a light right there. We got to go up under the tree branch. Oh, it's very slippery over here. Wow, we in like a whole cave thing. Towards this. As we walk straight to the thing, Val found it. There go Val. She found it first. Okay. Oh yeah, you see the little drip coming down.
Kind of wait for them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
I've never been to a waterfall before. Oh, look at the rocks and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the most water I've ever seen here. This is incredible. Very therapeutic. Cold.
Ain't it cold? Oh, you talking about actually touching it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really, you can do a cold plunge in that.
Yeah, the girls climbed all the way.
Hold on with the water.
I'm not trying to get in the water.
Oh, no, not in the water.
I'm trying to figure out how to.
With the waterfall.
Yeah, can you see my photo?
The waterfall.
I don't know if I should do. Like that's my camera. Before the other. I know. Do 1 and 1 and do 1 and 0.5. So just in front of. And then 1 0.5. Yeah. Okay. Look at that balance on these freaking rocks.
I'm just trying to make sure it's not too slippery. Ah! Ah! Okay. We're good. As soon as you get past those rocks, you're good.
Okay. Y'all make it. I don't want my feet wet. There we can go this way.
We're by the water. Yeah, it's cold.
I don't know if I want all that on my face.
Oh, that's so cold. Okay, oh my God. We gotta. Oh, you talking about actually touching me?
Yeah.
When the sun shines bright.